Hello, children, and welcome to the online learning. Students, in this lesson number 20, all about glass, we are going to study everything about glass, that is kach. Students, you know that many things around us are made up of glass. Glass is an ordinary material which is used to make many objects around us. If you observe carefully, you can find many things to list out. You can tell that light bulbs, bottles, jars, glasses, reading glasses यानी कि चश्मा, marbles यानी कि जो गोटी रहते हैं उससे खेलते हैं, those window pans are made up of glass. And you can list even many more. Now a question must have arisen in your mind, how the glass is made. So here I have given a link below. Just click on the link and observe the video. You can see it in detail how the glass is manufactured in the factory, and you can understand it very easily there. So children, glass is a man-made material. It is actually made from sand. Even it must have surprised you also that the transparent looking substance which is very smooth is actually made from sand. If you observe the video there, you can understand it very clearly. So glass is made by heating a mixture of clean white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. These are the two chemicals. द मिक्सचर इज़ हीटेड इन अ फर्नेस. एक फर्नेस यानी कि एक यूटेंसिल रहता है, उसमें उसे बहुत हीट किया जाता है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट व्हाट हैपन्स, इट टर्न्स इनटू लिक्विड, इट टर्न्स इनटू हॉट लिक्विड glass. And when it cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. And then when it cools down, you can see the glass which we see it, that you can get it. Now you will study how it is shaped. Now just now we have studied that how glass is made. So glass is made from a mixture of sand, soda and lime. Now we will study how glass is shaped, how you can get the things of different shapes from glass. So once glass is cold and hard, you cannot shape it. So what we need to do, we need to shape it when it is hot and soft. जब वो गर्म रहता है, जब वो पिघला हुआ रहता है, तभी उसे शेप देना पड़ता है. एक बार जब वो ठंडा हो जाता है, वो हार्ड बन जाता है, and then you cannot give it any shape. So glass has to be shaped only when it is hot. And one more thing about glass is that glass is brittle. Brittle यानी कि क्या, अगर वो गिर जाता है हाथ से नीचे, then it breaks. अगर सपोज कोई स्टील का ग्लास है, वो नीचे गिर जाता है, तो then it won't break. Understood? But if a glass falls down, then what happens? It will break easily. When it is very hot, that is when it is liquid in form, you can shape it as you want. So glass can be rolled into flat sheets. जो हमारे खिड़कियों के जो कांच रहते हैं वो कैसे फ्लैट शीट्स के जैसे है, वो कैसा बनता है, उसे उस प्रकार से रोल किया जाता है. देन इट कैन बी ब्लोन इनटू बॉटल्स. उसमें हवा भर के उससे बॉटल बनते. हियर वन मोर लिंक आई हैव गिवन डाउन हाउ ग्लास इज शेप्ड. यू जस्ट गो थ्रू इट ऑल्सो and then you can see that how bulbs are made from glass. So bulb glasses are also made, and other objects, or even thin fibers or glass wool when it is hot. Even thin like wires you can form from the glass only when it is hot. So this was, we studied how glass is shaped. Now next thing what we are going to study is that some properties of glass. glass कैसे होता है, those that is called as the properties. वो कैसा होता है वो हम ये अभी पढ़ेंगे. Now the first thing is that the glass is very useful. You can find it is used in many of the things. Even medicines also you will find some medicines come in glass bottles only. So these properties we are going to study here now. First thing is that glass is transparent. Transparent यानी कि मालूम है आपको, हम उससे उसके थ्रू देख सकते हैं. देन इट इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हार्ड. देन वन मोर थिंग इज़ दैट इट इज़ इम्परमिएबल. इम्परमिएबल यानी कि क्या, उससे पानी पानी से वो गीला नहीं होता है. इट डजेंट गेट सॉगी और स्टेन्ड बिकॉज ऑफ एनी लिक्विड विच इज़ केप्ट इन इट. अगर उसमें पानी भी रखा जाए या जूस भी रखा जाए ग्लास की बोतल, हम देखते हैं कि सॉस वो जो रहता है, सॉस, जैम्स, दिस कम इन ग्लास बॉटल्स ओनली. वाई दे कम इन ग्लास बॉटल्स? बिकॉज दे डोंट गेट, it doesn't get soggy, stained by itself. Now next thing is that glass has no effect on food, water or other substances stored in the glass containers. उसमें जो भी रखा जाता है उसके ऊपर वो कुछ भी असर नहीं करता. It doesn't have any effect on those things. Then the next thing is that उसको कोई स्मेल नहीं रहता है या कोई टेस्ट भी नहीं वो छोड़ता है उसके ऊपर, जो फूड उसमें रखा जाता है उसके ऊपर. और सबसे बड़ा जो पॉइंट है ग्लास के बारे में वो है कि इट लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत सुंदर दिखता है. ग्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो रहते हैं वो बहुत सुंदर दिखते हैं. So these were some of the properties. I'll revise it once more. That glass is transparent, it is strong and hard, it doesn't get wet, it doesn't impart smell or taste on any food item which is kept in it. You can wash it easily, and the most important thing is that it looks very beautiful. Now children, the next thing you can see in this PPT, in this page, that you can see different jars of different colors you can see, and you can see they are of beautiful color. So actually glass is transparent, but it is possible for us to produce colored glass using some chemicals. By using some chemicals you can produce color glass also. So you can find many colors are there in the glasses. For example, blue, violet, red, pink, ruby, that is the shade which matches with the red, orange, deep yellow, purple. Now here three colors are there which you may not have heard the names. The first one is turquoise. Turquoise is the greenish blue color. You can see the combination when green and blue are mixed together, the what color it can form, that is called as the turquoise color. Then the amber. Amber means yellow brown color. And the next is amethyst, that is the light violet color. So you can get these colors in the glasses by using certain chemicals. The next thing which we are going to study is about the stained glass. Now in the picture you can see a glass, but you can see it is beautifully colored. So such glass is called as the stained glass. Now stained glass is used to make beautiful stained glass is used mostly in the churches. You will find these glasses, and many of you can see in the big shops also you will find sometimes they are used there. So colored glass is used to make beautiful pictures, especially on the window pans. So colorful window pans you must have seen, and even beautiful sculptures, decorative articles are made from it. So it is possible to paint the glass using some special chemicals and processes by which you can stain the glass. You can color it with beautiful colors. Different objects can be made on it, and it is used mostly in the churches. Now the last thing which we are going to study about glass in this lesson is that glass can be recycled. Recycled means what? It can be reused again. Once the glass is broken, no need to throw it in the garbage. What you can do, that same glass, if you send it to the factory, it can be again recycled and used it to make new glass objects. Here in the picture also you can see the recycle process there. A jar is there, then you can see a decorative piece, then one more jar is there, a cork made up of glass, some glasses are there. And what these are, actually when one glass breaks, it can be used to make other objects. Instead of throwing it out, the same glass can be used to make the other objects. You must have seen the raddi wala, or you can say the bhangar wala, or in English we call him the junk man. What he does, he collects the left old newspaper, then broken glass objects, different bottles also he collects, then objects made up of metals. And what he does actually, do you know? He segregates them, separates all the things according to their material, and then he sends them back into the factories. And in those factories, those materials are again recycled. They are used to make the new objects. The old newspapers are broken and it is used to form New papers or again new sheets of paper can be formed from those old newspapers. The same is the thing with the glass. Old glass bottles, glass jars, whatever it is, or the bulbs can be used to form new glass objects. So instead of throwing the old ones, they can be used to form the new objects again. And glass is 100% recyclable. And the recycled glass is actually cheaper, सस्ता होता है, नए ग्लास से वो सस्ता होता है. और उसे बनाना भी कैसे होता है, सस्ता होता है. नए ग्लास बनाने के लिए बहुत सारा हीट लगता है, बहुत सारा मटेरियल लगता है, एनर्जी बहुत सारी उसके लिए उसे गर्म करने में लग जाती है. तो इफ़ यू आर रिसाइकलिंग द ग्लास, you can save that energy, and in the way you can save the earth also. Because of the heat, you can see that global warming is happening. So all these things can be avoided if we recycle the things. And remember that glass is valuable. So if you recycle a single glass bottle, you can save enough energy to power a color TV for 20 minutes. An example is given there. So children, remember that glass can be recycled. And once again I'm telling you that 2 links I'm sending it down. Click on those links and you can see those videos where you can find how glass is made and how it is shaped. Just watch those videos and you can understand it more easily and in a better way. So children, thank you.